Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 126 Laravel 11 product HTML set and table create tutorial. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my table database name inside. This is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc folder. In this is a project directory. This project is available. And then this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run this cmd. This project directory inside this cmd open. Let's php artisan server and enter php artisan server. Same here, copy and paste here inside this browser. Paste here inside this browser. Please wait, this successfully working fine. Let's admin login. Admin login, and this is a login screen is available. Let's admin @gmail.com. Password is 1234567889 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Good working. Let's inside this is a new menu is a create product cart. This is a product cart menu is a implementation. First of all, let's step by step implementation this list. Let's resource view resource. This is a view inside. This is available admin inside. This is a body inside. This is a sidebar is available. Let's new menu is a create color inside. This is a new menu is a this is a color menu. Let's inside this product menu is a created. Let's new product menu is a create. Let's step by step product menu create. Copy same here inside this product cart menu admin. In this is a name is a sense. This name is a product cart menu is a create product cart, and this is a product cart. This is a menu is a successfully create. Let's save file and this refresh this page inside this show. Let's refresh this page successfully. This is a product cart is available. Good working. Let's click this product cart, click this, and this is a 404 record found. This page show 404. Let's successfully admin product is available. Good working. This is a admin product. Good. Let's same here, copy and route inside this web.php open, and this is a inside. This is a include. Let's include inside. This is a include product cart. Let's product cart is a include. This is a get method, route get method, and this is a paste here. This paste, this copy and inside this paste. Let's new control is a create. Control name is a product cart. Product cart is a controller is a create cart product cart, and same here controller copy and paste here, and inside this is a product list is a show. This is a admin product list. Show file successfully. This is the implementation. Let's copy this name inside this include use app http controller and paste here product cart. Save file product cart, paste here, and this is a save. Create copy, and this is a create http controller, and this is a create php create. Successfully create. Let's same here, copy and paste here. This copy and paste here. This good. Inside the same here name, copy and paste here. Save file, and this is a name is a copy and paste here. Let's echo error solution code.com die. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully show error solution code.com. Good working. This is the name is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This is anytime, and this is a available anytime contact. This is a available. Please subscribe my channel and follow this all Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's remove this. Return view admin dot product cart new folder create. Inside this is a list file is a create list. Save file, successfully save file is a create. Let's copy this name inside this admin. Inside this is a new folder is a create. Folder name is a product cart. Successfully create. This is a folder is a blank. Same here, copy and list blade.php. Successfully create and hello. Save file and refresh this page and successfully hello show. Good working. This is a inside this is a new database table is a create. Table name is a product cart. This is a table. This is a not available. Let's click this new table is a create. This is a product cart table is a create. This is a create. First of all, this is ID. Second is available name. Third is a description. Image. Let's column is a implementation image. Next is a price. Third is a created date and updated date. This is a varchar text. Varchar date and time. 1 and 255 and all null is a implementation null and successfully all null is a implementation product cart. Successfully all null is a implementation. And please this is a click this AL short name is a primary key is a AL short name. Let's save button, click this save. Successfully table is a created. This is a table is a created. This table name is available product cart. Product cart table is successfully created. Let's step by step. This is a table is a created and refresh this page as it is a working fine. Inside this HTML is a set. This is a HTML remove. Any HTML is open. Let's color inside this list file is available. Not this is a city inside this list file is a control A. Copy this file and inside this paste here. And this is a pagination is a remove, not use this. Delete button is a all remove, not use. This is a TD, all remove TD. Forest loop is a remove, not use this forest loop. And this is a button as it is working fine. This is a search box is a remove, not use. This is a search box is a remove. Let's save file. Product cart is a save file and refresh this page. Successfully available product cart. But this is a name is a sense. This is a product cart name is a step by step name sense product cart. Product cart. And this is a add product cart. Copy same here, copy and inside this product add. Copy same and paste here save file. And this first of all this is a name. Second is available description. Second is a description. Third is available image. Next is a price. Next is a created update. This created price inside this available created and updated. This is a table is a set. This is a refresh this page. All good. This is available. This is ID, name, description, image, price, created, updated and action. This is all fine. Let's demo data is the implementation. Inside this demo data is available. This demo data tr inside td. TD same here, copy, paste, and this is a one number. name is a apple. Second description is a text, image is a png. This is a price is a 10.00, date is a 3/1/10/24, and this updated date, this is a 4, and this is last is a td. A tag is a create a tag inside this class, btn primary edit. Second is the delete, danger and delete. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully, all good. This is a dummy record is created, and this is a record is available inside this record is a show inside this include. This record is inside this show available inside this show. This is a next video, and this is a only dummy record. Please step by step. First of all, this is a route is a create this web.php means sidebar create. Inside this is a create, and this create after this create, and this is a fully create, and this is a file is a create product. Inside this place step by step writing this file. This file is a writing all good. Next is a available less implementation. This is a table name is a product cart. Less product cart table is a implementation, and this is a model is a create. This is a new product cart model. This is a product cart model model.php. Successfully create this file, and same here open this copy and product cart and paste here. And this is the name is a sense, this is the name is the same name is a product cart, and this is a successfully created this product cart model, and this is the name is the implementation. Successfully set. Successfully this product cart is a save file. Successfully implementation good working. Let's same here copy, and inside this is the include use app http model, and this is a paste here. Successfully implementation good working. This is a model is a successfully implementation inside. Thank you for watching. This video is a done. Product this HTML set and table is a create, and this model is a implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.